Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. The owner just bought this Jeep a week ago and drove too fast in 4 low, leading to this.
What the f, dude?
He said he thinks it seized and the back was so spinning, so the torque took it off. Look at this. Look at this. My brake rudder is broken. I know what it is. I know what when you knock no gas in it.
Not too often do you see a tire destroyed like this. Likely an older tire someone shouldn't have put on, as you can see the cracking.
Alright guys, here's today's math problem. If you take one air filter lid and subtract one air filter lid clasp, you get 0 boost. That's bad math. Bummer.
This 2013 Jeep Wrangler rolled in with a Bluetooth negative battery post. Customer states, "My tire looks weird."
Customer came in, reported a crank, no start. I wonder why. No, that's not coolant.
Alright, this is the van. Listen when I put the clutch in. Clutch.
This owner probably left this in 4-wheel drive while driving on the street. This mechanic was doing a routine oil change and while inspecting, noticed someone had welded rebar, not onto the cats, but to the resonator.
Customer states, did my own brakes. Now I hear a grinding noise and my brakes don't work. That'll do it.
This customer brought this melted battery in for a battery core return. Not too often do you see a transmission detach itself from the bell housing. Gotta love working on cat skid steers. These can take up to 20 plus of labor. Thankfully, the newer ones have a drain on them. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.